Who granted you permission into my private quarters?
No.
Guards!
Wait!
Guards!
No, hold on a second, wait!
You're just like all the rest. You show up with your imperial menagerie and expect me to go weak in the knees? Well, let me tell you something. Prince Ali, my hand as well as my kingdom can't be bought by some second-rate royal. You're only here to increase your personal wealth and property.
That's not why I'm here.
And I suppose you're in love with me. Well, if you expect me to believe that, you could take a flying leap off my parapet for all I care.
Robert, get down. Very well, Princess. As you wish.
Ali!
Go.
How did you?
You were worried about me.
No.
How about a little spin on the old carpet? Please, Princess. I don't care about your wealth or your kingdom. I only ask for the chance to get to know you. What's wrong? Don't you trust me?
Are you sure I don't know you?
Your company waits. Come on. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can